All right, in this video, I want to show you how you could change the temperature on a Frigidaire Gallery. And it's a French door like this. All right, and they vary a little bit. So on this one, you're usually going to have the control panel here on the very front where the freezer is. And of course, you know your freezer usually wants to be around 0 degrees. And the fresh food, or the refrigerator part on the right, should be between 35 and 38. So to change it, you want to make sure that the lock is not on. So you might have this lock here. So if I hold down the lock, it'll be lit up. So that means that you can't change the temperature. All right. So if I hold it down, I want to unlock it, and there won't be any light on after I unlock it. So just press anything on here. So to change the refrigerator, for example, the only thing I have to do is unlock, and then I just go up like that. So let's say I want to go up to 38, make it warmer. Same thing with the freezer. You can go down to 5 below 0. But 0 is recommended for the freezer, and 35 to 38 is recommended for the fresh food compartment. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.